Is the SIP maturity in debt funds taxable? Industry expert Mr. Hariharan has joined us today to clear all your doubts.
So it works on FI, FO, first in, first out. Whatever units you have accumulated in SIP, the last SIP you have accumulated, and when you exit, if you have made some gains on those units, you pay tax. Otherwise, there's no tax. So it's all calculated basis first in, first out. What is the gain that you've actually made from those units?
Thanks for your detailed explanation. Are you in search of a personal guide who can remove the stress of handling your finances? Then please feel free to avail our expert consultation. And also you can attend our webinars to gain investment related insights. Both the consultation and webinar are absolutely free and you can find the link in the below description. Please like and share and do subscribe to Holistic Investment.